Have you ever experienced the frustration of a garage door refusing to open? It disrupts your routine and raises security concerns. In Flower Mound, Texas, homeowners often struggle with this issue, especially during changing seasons. What causes this nuisance? Several factors could prevent your garage door from opening, even if the motor is active. Let's explore the common culprits. First, check power supply issues. Ensure your garage door opener is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Next, consider the remote control or wall switch. Dead batteries or malfunctioning switches can hinder your door's response. A misaligned safety sensor near the base may also prevent proper operation. Realigning these sensors might just do the trick. Broken torsion or extension springs are serious. If they fail, your door won't lift despite the motor running. Have you pulled the emergency release? If it's disengaged, you might not get the door to function properly again. It's crucial to keep maintenance in mind. Lubricate moving parts and inspect the system regularly to avoid problems. When in doubt, trust a professional. They can ensure your garage door operates safely and efficiently, keeping you secure.